Before you skip this video, let me tell you something important. If you feel like life in America has become more expensive, if your paycheck disappears faster than it used to, if grocery, rent, gas and basic bill feel heavier every single month, then this video is for you. Because today we are not talking about fake internet luxury. We are not talking about overnight success. And we are definitely not talking about becoming millionaires in 30 days. We are talking about reality. We are talking about how millions of Americans are actually surviving inflation in 2026. How normal people are adapting financially, what smart families are doing differently, why the middle class feel pressure like never before, and what you can do to stay ahead before things become even harder. And trust me, some of the things happening right now in the economy are changing the way America live forever. So watch this video carefully, you read the end. Because by the time you finish watching, you will understand why some people are financially collapsing right now, while others are quietly becoming stronger during the some economy. And hostily, this might be one of the most important money conversations on this channel. Now before we start, look around for a second. People are still working. People are still working. Business are still opening. Cars are still on the roads. Social media still look normal. But behind the scene, millions of Americans are financially stressed in why they don't even talk about publicly. And the scary part is many people don't realize how expensive the life had become. Until they started struggling to afford the same lifestyle they had just a few years ago. Because inflation does not always destroy people overnight. It happens slowly. At first, maybe groceries cost of little more, then rent goes up, then insurance increases, then electricity bill rises, then gas price hit again. And suddenly people who once felt financially comfortable start checking their bank account before buying simple things. And honestly, that is exactly that many Americans are experiencing in 2026. The average person today is not just trying to make more money anymore. A lot of people are simply trying to protect their lifestyle from getting rolled forwards. Now here's something most people outside America don't fully understand. In the United States, a huge percentage of people live paycheck to paycheck. And when inflation stay higher before a long time, even small price increase become dangerous. Because when your rent increase, your food cost increase, your transportation cost increase, and your debit payment increase at the same time. And this is where people start feeling mentally exhausted. Not because they are lazy, not because they are not working hard, but because financially it feels like running on a treadmill that keep spending up. Think about this for a second. A person could be making more money today than they made 3 years ago and still feel poorer. That's the reality of inflation because inflation attacks purchasing power. It greatly reduces what your money can actually buy. And honestly, that's why so many Americans feel confused right now. They are working hard. Some even have better salaries than before, but at the end of the month, they still feel pressure. And one of the biggest reasons for the pressure is housing. In many cities across America, rent prices are still painfully high. For younger Americans, especially buying a house feel almost impossible right now. Mortgage rates remain expensive. Home prices are still high in many areas. And for a million of people, the dream of owning home now feel delayed by year. And when housing become expensive, everything else become stressful too. Because if a huge percentage of your income goes toward rent, you have less money for investing, less money for emergency, and less in financial freedom overall. And here's something interesting happening in 2026. A lot of Americans are starting to rethink where they live. Some people are living in expensive cities entirely. Entirely, others are moving to smaller towns. Some family are relocating to start with lower taxes and cheaper housing. Not because they want luxury, but because they want breathing room. And honestly, this is one of the biggest economic shift happening right now in America. People are no longer choosing locations based only on start to entertainment. They are choosing based on affordability. And you know what's even more interesting? A lot of people who want look successful online are currently struggling behind the scenes because social media created a fake image of wealth, luxury vacations, expensive apartment, designer clothes, perfect lifestyle. But inflation exposed something important. A lot of people were already financially stretched before price increase. And now, maintaining that fake lifestyle has become even harder. That's why in 2026, many Americans are becoming more careful with money. People are eating at home more often, cooking instead of ordering delivery, canceling subscription they barely use dry medicines, buying fewer unnecessary things. And honestly, some people used to laugh at busting. Now busting has become survival, and this is where financial behavior in America is changing completely. Because a few years ago, people were spending emotionally. Now people are thinking strategically. They are asking questions like, "Do or do I really need this? Can I find a cheaper option? Should I save more? Should I invest differently? Should I create another source of income?" And the last question might be the most important one because one paycheck alone is no longer enough for many Americans. And this is exactly why side hustle exploded across the country. Today, millions of Americans are trying to create a extra income outside their main job. Some people freelancing online, others drive for delivery apps, some sell product online, some create YouTube channels, others start TikTok page, small business, digital product, or remote services. And one of the biggest changes happening right now is how people are using AI. AI tools are helping ordering people make money in a way that we are not possible before. People are using AI for content creation, making, editing, business idea, freelancing, online stores, and even learning new skills faster. And honestly, this is creating a completely new type of income, new type of economy. Because in the past, many people depend entirely on one company for survival. Now, more Americans are realize something important. Depending on one paycheck alone can be dangerous. And this is mindset shift massive because people are no longer just asking, how do I get a job? Now they are asking, how do I create income from multiple places? And honestly, that might become one of the most valuable financial skill for the future of the future. But let's talk about something else people don't discuss enough. Debit. Credit card debit in America has become a huge issue, and inflation made it worse. Because when people cannot afford monthly expenses comfortably, many started railing on credit card just to survive. And at first, it does not feel dangerous. Maybe it's groceries, maybe gas, maybe emergency bill. But slowly, interest start building. And suddenly people realize they are paying hug amount of money just to stay afloat. And honestly, financial stress affected people emotionally too. Many Americans today feel content and anxiety about money. Not just poor people, even middle class families. People worry about losing job, middle bills, medical bill, expected emergency, retirement, housing, debit, and whether life will become even more expensive in the future. And the truth is, financial pressure changes people physically, it changes relationship, it changes mental health, it changes confidence, becomes unstable, people stop feeling sorts. And this is exactly why financial education matter more than ever night right now, because the people surviving this economy best are usually not the people spending the most. They are they are the people understand money better. And that's a how different, because financial intelligence today is not about showing off online. It's about understand how to survive difficult economy. It's about understanding how to survive difficult economy intelligently. And honestly, this is very investing into the conversation. A lot of Americans are realizing that leaving money sitting a saving account is not enough anymore, because inflation slowly reduces cash value over time. So more people are learning about long-term investing. ETFs, index fund, divided investing, retirement account, compounding, asset ownership. And what's interesting is many younger Americans who one ignore it interesting, ignore it investing are now taking it seriously. Not because they suddenly become finance experts, but because they understand something important. Now, if your money is not growing, inflation slowly make you poor. And honestly, realization realization change a lot of people. But let me say something very important here. Not every financial solution online is realistic. Social media often sell a fantasy, fast money, luxury lifestyle, easy success, crypto millionaire. And honestly, a lot of people end up feeling worse because they compare themselves to unrealistic lifestyle online. But real financial stability usually look boring. It looks like consistency, budgeting carefully, avoiding unnecessary debt, building skill, investing slowly, living below your means, making smart decisions repeatedly over time. And the truth is, those boring habits are what actually build long-term stability. Build long-term stability. Because surviving inflation is not about one lucky moment. It's about habits. And honestly, this is where many Americans are becoming smarter financially. And why am I buying this? Do I actually need it? Am I spending to impress people? Or am I building a stable future? And that the mindset shift matters, because inflation forced many people to become more international with money. Because inflation forced many people to become more intentional with money. And honestly, some people are becoming financially stronger because of it. Not richer overnight, but smarter. And in difficult economies, smart financial behavior matter more than flashy income. Now that's talking about something extremely important, adaptation, because the people handling this economy best right now are often the people adopting faster. Some learning remote skill, some starting business, some remove the cheaper places, some reduce unnecessary spending, some improve financial discipline, some learning investing, some creating second income. And honestly, adaptation might become the most valuable survival skill in modern America because the economy keeps changing, technology keeps changing, job keep changing, course keep changing, and the people who refuse to adapt, and that's something history has shown repeatedly. Now here's the part most people don't want to hear. Nobody is coming to magically save your finances. Not politicians, not social media influencers, not motivational videos. At the end of the day, financial stability usually become down to personal discussions. How you spend, how you save, how you learn, how you adapt, how patient you are, and how disciplined you become. And honestly, that truth can should uncomfortable, but it's also empowering because it many people still have a control over improving their future. Maybe not instantly, maybe not perfectly, but slowly. And honestly, slow progress is still progresses because in today's economy, and becoming silently more financially intelligent can completely change your future over time. And one thing noticed about American in 2026, despite all the pressure, despite all the inflation, despite all of the financial stress, people are still adapting. They are learning faster, thinking differently, becoming more creative, exploring new, exploring new income opportunities, talking about money more openly. And honestly, that might be one positive thing inflation created. It forced people to pay attention. Many people ignored financial education completely, but now people are realizing money management is not optional anymore. It's survival. And honestly, that's the biggest lesson from everything happening right now. Inflation does not only change prices, it changes behavior, it changes priorities, it changes lifestyle, and something it changes entire generations. And the people who survive financially in the future will probably not to be the people showing up the most online. They will be the people who adapt consciously, learn valuable skill, control spending, and think long term. Because real financial strength today is not about looking rich. It's about staying stable in an unstable time. And honestly, that is something more people are financially beginning to understand. So if you watch this video till the end, I want you to remember one thing. No matter how difficult the economy becomes, financial intelligence will always matter. Learning how many work matter, controlling emotions with spending matter, building skill matter, patience matters, disciplines matter. Because surviving financially in 2026 is not just about how much money, how make anymore. It's about how intelligently you manage the money you already have. And honestly, that lesson appears almost everyone right now. So if this video made you think differently about money, or if you related to anything we talked about today, comments below and tell me what the biggest financial changes people are facing right now in America. I genuinely want to hear your thought. And if you believe more people need to hear this conversation, share this video with someone who need it because a lot of people are struggling silently right now. And if you want to more real conversation about money, inflation, investing, financial survival, and the future of the economy, make sure you subscribe to the channel Arsan Explains Money because in today's world, financial knowledge, financial knowledge is not luxury anymore, it's survival.